Hello, and welcome to a Secure 9000E demo introducing the Visitor Management Portal in Secure. In this training scenario, we're going to give you an overview of the portal interface, completing login procedures, and then give a tour of the user interface and general features. What is the Visitor Management Web Portal? The Visitor Management Web Portal is an internet-based tool that allows the organization and tracking of visits to a facility. It's essentially a software tool that interacts directly with Secure 9000. Someone who is an approved user and has the appropriate credentials and user capabilities enabled can then go in and set up and manage visits anywhere via an internet browser. To highlight some of the features, with the Visitor Management Portal, an approved user can prepare for facility or enterprise visits in advance, add personnel records for visitors, designate personnel as visit hosts, configure instructions for the visit, and add documents to the visit that are then included in emails sent to the visitors. Alright, why don't we go ahead and get started? What you see is the home page of the Secure 9000 Visitor Management Portal. Now keep in mind that the software will work on most internet browsers, but please do see your documentation to identify which browser version is the minimum you can use to run the software properly. FYI, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Safari are all browsers listed in the documentation that will work with the Visitor Management software. Now your login is going to be different than mine. I'm utilizing a virtual environment or a local host, but when on the internet, you'll open your browser and typically use a standard address such as the following. Now in this scenario, in this case, machine name is going to be the name or IP address of your IIS web server. If the site administrator has enabled SSL encryption for a secure login for the Victor web service and thus for the web portal, the URL typically has an S for secure authentication and is similar to the following. Before we log in, notice the forgot password and register links. These are pretty standard. To reset your password, select the forgot password link, enter your email address assigned to you on the portal, and the system will send you an email to reset your password. And the register link can be used to gain access to the portal unless an administrator has already set you up to use your Windows credentials. In that case, if they have, you don't need to use the register link at all. Okay, we'll type our username in, which in my case is my Tyco Security Products email. And though I like our user community, I'm going to block out most of my address so I don't receive an abundance of fan emails. Thank you there. Next, we'll type in our password, then click Sign In. Alright, and this brings us to the main user interface of the Visitor Management Portal. At the main user interface page, there are some commonly used system displayed and menu items. The first highlighted link displays the user that is currently logged into the system. The refresh button, when clicked, updates the current page with any changes that may have been made, and it's available on all pages. The change password link allows the user to change their password through the portal if you're authorized to do so. Logout allows the current user to log out of the system when done. The help link opens an online help interface that provides the user with detailed information for using the portal. The About link states the application is a portal to the visitor management system and lists the version and build number of the software. And lastly, the My Sites links highlight all the available visit sites currently in the system. From here, the authorized user can select an active site and create a new visit. The zeros in the blue circles indicate that there are currently no visits set up for any of the sites listed. If there had been visits entered into the system, the numbers in the circles would indicate that. In follow-on videos, we're going to create and edit some actual visits and show those digits with resident numbers. Alright, that concludes this e-demo introducing the Visitor Management Portal in Secure 9000.